Welcome to our comparison video, where we will be looking at two popular portable washing machines, the Costway Twin Tub and the DXJJ Portable Washing Machine. We will explore their features, specifications, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. The Costway Twin Tub offers a significant washing capacity of 26 pounds, making it suitable for larger loads. In contrast, the DXJJ Portable Washing Machine has a smaller capacity of 10 liters, which may be more suitable for lighter laundry needs or individual use. The Costway model features a twin tub design that allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, which can save time during laundry. On the other hand, the DXJJ model is designed for simplicity and portability, offering 3 washing modes but lacks a spinning function. While the Costway Twin Tub is compact, it weighs 33.5 pounds, which may be cumbersome for some users. In contrast, the DXJJ Portable Washing Machine is extremely lightweight and foldable, making it ideal for travel, camping, or small living spaces. In conclusion, both the Costway Twin Tub and the DXJJ Portable Washing Machine have their unique advantages. The Costway is better for larger loads and efficiency, while the DXJJ excels in portability and ease of use. Let us know in the comments which one you prefer, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.